Look at this shit. Fucking trees in the road. Look at shit everywhere. Black people in the road. Oh my goodness. Everybody okay?
Yeah. You see this shit right there? You see that right there?
What?
There's another storm coming.
Another one?
Yeah, look. Look at the cloud. What's this?
They said we're going to watch until 9 tonight.
I think we're okay.
There's two of them coming.
We were looking at the radar. I think it's all right.
It's
crazy. You got everybody's okay though, yeah?
Yeah, we
huh?
okay. You smell gas?
No.
You smell gas. All right.
Unbelievable. Look at this. This is the road that I'm trying to get to Scott's house. The power lines are down, the trees in the road. That's not happening. What the fuck? This is crazy. This is unbelievable. There's like you saw that tree, I can't even get down Hargett. Hargett's completely blocked. There is shit everywhere. The people that I was just talking to said that they can smell gas. I don't fucking know. I'll get back to you. Okay, this is Martin Street because I couldn't take whatever that. Oh, Hargett, because everything's blown down. There's another tree in the road. And the fire truck's having some fun here. Oh, that dude looks like he's hurt. That's not good. This is crazy. It looks like bombs went off everywhere. I never seen anything like this. This is insane. Hopefully we can get over to Scott's house. Make sure everybody over there is okay. There's some thunder. That's a good sign. They said that we have tornado warnings until 9 p.m. I'm hoping. Let's see if I. Oh my gosh, there's trees down back there. Was that a power line or a branch? Power line, cable line or something. This is half of a tree ripped off. You can see it there. We got the church van not going anywhere. Come on. Let's go.